Hey everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Tribit StormBox PRO. I've just received this speaker now and it was a gift from Tribit. I won a giveaway which was hosted on their official Instagram. So if you want to win some prize, maybe not this speaker right here, you should follow them on Instagram. So yeah, a little shout out to Tribit. But this little unboxing and first look on this speaker will not be in any way sponsored, or my opinions will stay the same if I bought this speaker. So yeah, let's look at the box. It looks pretty good, and I've already made a unboxing on the Tribit StormBox Micro, and I was really happy, so I'm really glad I won this one. And I'm looking forward to seeing how it sounds. Oh, it even has the aptX standard by Qualcomm, so that's cool. And my camera is not really tracking it. It's tracking my keyboard great. Yeah, maybe like this. So yeah, let's unbox the speaker here. So it's brand new. Here's the tape. So let's pull this down. So the tape is gone. Yeah, so let's unbox this. Okay. So here's a little manual. And a little thank you guide. My light is a bit bright, but yeah. We've got a USB-C charging cable here. That's great. And here is the speaker itself. So let's pull it out. It's quite a heavy boy, which is great because it feels high quality. Okay. So here is the actual speaker. It feels really similar to the StormBox Micro I already have. I mean the texture. Or maybe something like a Harman Kardon. On the back we have a little cover which has a USB-C and a charging for your phone right there. So that's great. Oh, my light has turned off. Yeah, great. But yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Let's try to turn it on for the first time. Okay. I will turn on my Bluetooth here. So let's pair it. So the same sound as the StormBox Micro. I have a launch title here. I think the music is going to turn this down, but yeah. Let's try to play something real quick. Let's turn on the extra bass. We are now at a half volume. Around a half volume. actually pretty good.
Think about you anymore, but when I do, issues they have gotten me this far. But constant reassurance can't mend a broken heart. Maybe I'm not over, can't stop thinking about the way you hold her. I bet that you call her when it be over, only if you didn't leave me so hurt. Never thought that you was too much low.
Maybe something like this. So the speakers are on the sides, so you get a stereo effect because they are firing from the sides, and that's pretty good actually. I'm really impressed by the sheer loudness this thing does at a half a volume. That's crazy. But this thing has like a 40 watts, around 40 watts I think. And I will clip the mic if I do this on 100% now, so there is actually no reason to put it on the max volume. I will have to compare this with the Onyx Studio 5 and maybe some other speakers. But yeah, actually I'm really impressed. This is really half a volume. It even sounds a bit bassy on quite low volumes, and it has a nice, this is silicone yeah, it's silicone, the little carrying thing. Yeah, really cool speaker, and I recommend it probably more than the JBL. It feels great, like a high quality product, and I actually really think this is going to be louder than the JBL, even from the first impressions here.